You're on the stand with us again. The air show's yours.
All right, Dan, it is great to be here. I am so proud that my sons, Garrett and Boyd, have taken the stick of sailplane magic. Today, Boyd is flying sailplane magic, and Garrett is in the red, white, and blue Cessna 180 tow plane. My son, Boyd Willett in the glider today, is an air tanker captain for CAL FIRE, Amentium, fighting wildfires in the S2T, or as I call it, the California State Bird. I'm sure you have seen them dropping the red retardant on fires everywhere. Boyd is using holy energy management skills from flying gliders. He's turned that into saving lives and property for our great state. He's soloed on his 14th birthday in not one, but 23 different sailplanes. He had to break his brother's record and did 18. So on their 16th birthday, they earned their private glider certificates. They soloed all of our tow planes, including that Cessna 180.
Come give you a ride to fly it, but you can do it all alone. The glider I'm flying today is Sailplane Magic Grove. It has a wingspan of 57 feet and weighs just over 900 pounds. It has a glide ratio of 36-1, which means on a calm day from 1 mile up, I could glide for 36 miles. Now, for your power pilots who might think that soaring is too tame, wait until you experience cross-country flights. My personal best is a flight of over 500 miles and 8 hours in the air. However, the world record is up to almost 1,900 miles at an absolute altitude of 52,000 feet. The Perlin project, which goes between Argentina and Minden, hoping to hit 90,000 feet, all without an engine. My family and all the folks at Warner Springs challenge you to ride along, if only in spirit, with me today. There's an open seat in the back just for you. It really is as much fun as it looks, and if you really do want to be a part of aviation, this is the time to start. Now strap on those belts, and here we go. was fun. This really has been an honor to fly for you today, and I hope that you realize that you can fly and you can be the pilot you've always dreamed of. Being a pilot really is not that hard. If it were, I'd get a real job. This is Boyd Wood of Sky Sailing Warner Springs, along with my brother Garrett Towing, our parents coordinating the ground operation, and everyone helping out at our booth. I hope you enjoyed this ride. Also, a very special thank you to all the spectators here today. Without you, there would be no air show. Also, the sponsors and organizers. It really has been an honor flying for you. Come check us out at our booth or at skysailing.com, or come on out to Warner Springs and take a ride.
Wow, look at that. He just keeps going, going, and going. The Energizer sailplane. That was truly incredible. To start above 4,000 feet with no engine, do a complete aerobatic routine, and then land exactly where he wants. I sure flew with Boyd in spirit. I hope you did too. Every time I see this